Hi there, how are you today? Today I want to do a short video on these BEA sensors. They're a loop detector that's actually a laser. So let's take a look at those real quick. This is going to be a short video, but I want to talk about those and where I see those going and how we're using them and how you might be able to benefit from them. Hey there, how are you today? If you're new to the channel, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. I have about 25 years experience designing, installing, and servicing quality, long-lasting automatic gate systems. By automatic gate system, I mean I work on gates, gate operators, cameras, access control, and wired and wireless connectivity. And I've recently added video production to the list of things I do. I'd love to get your feedback, good or bad, down in the comments section, and please take a second to click on that subscribe button. It really helps us out when you do. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there. So what we have here is a pair of BEA lasers, and what they do that's different than a loop detector is they create a field above at the height of our device that shoots out across our concrete or asphalt driveway. With the loop detectors you have to saw cut or direct bury them, and they can create a problem down the road. Again, they'll work for a year or two and then you've got a problem. These are on the surface. If one goes bad, we can replace it. And I think what you're going to see in the future is these become UL-325 devices and they'll replace these. So I've got photo beams here because it's required by UL-325 that shoot across our opening, but it's just a little pencil beam and it protects this little bit of area. Whereas my laser beam is programmable. I can make it up to 32 feet out and I can go in this direction as far as I want, well, within the specs obviously. And each one of these does two fields. It does the safety loop, which is out in here at this site, so I can run my safety field. It's a laser beam all across here. And then my free exit field can be programmable here. It can be wider than my safety field. I can program it to ignore objects up to a certain size, and that's programmable. I can teach it to ignore cross traffic, or you have to come straight at it, or allow it to come in a diagonal. And I think this is where the future is at as far as loops go. And we've got the same thing on the outside. Obviously on the outside we only have a safety loop around the outside of the gate. One of the things as you look at this that I don't like, and hopefully they'll change soon, is we're in Colorado. And see this little lip here? That's going to collect snow. So you're going to have a little headache there. That being said, right above it is my photo beam. It's got a lip and these will ice over too. So, you know, if you're out here cleaning a photo beam off, you're going to have to clean your loop detector laser device off as well. There you go. So, you know, the benefits are plentiful. It will pick up someone as a person in the safety field here. It will detect vehicles. It covers more area. It's more programmable and feature rich than an in-ground loop. It's cost effective compared to an in-ground loop, and it's replaceable without closing down your whole gate. There's some of your benefits. Some of the drawbacks are that it does have that lip on it. It may collect snow depending on what direction your snow comes in at, and we will have a little bit of a learning curve with my customers, because before a loop detector would not pick you up. So when my gate opened and closed, I could stand here in the safety field because a loop detector detects metal, whereas this is detecting that laser beam is being blocked and my gate won't close while I'm standing here. So if I stick a trash can or a safety cone in here to try and funnel some traffic, I'm going to block this field and the gate's not going to close. And you can see as soon as I walk out of there, my gate is going to now close. So there's your, you know, I don't know if that's a disadvantage, but there's certainly a learning curve that will be involved with that. Hey there, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there.